Okay, another hit and run one. Double letters, finger spelling. So there are some combinations where it's optional whether you slide it or sort of pulse it, bounce it. And some it's a combination of both. Um, I'll show you what I do as we go through, watch the videos, and you can see some slight differences. The main thing is what's the clearest? Bottom line, that's all that matters. Is if someone has to go, what was that? Then it could be more confusing. So that's why I find as an interpreter, I tend to repeat the letter with that like pulsing. Just a little BB. F's can slide because they're oftentimes together, right? Jeffafa. Dunham.com. Thank you for Tiffany. GG. None of you remember Twiggy. Why is this in here? I don't feel comfortable just sliding it. I like sliding very few consonants and almost all the vowels. They just seem easier that way. Billy, that's another one. Bill, wouldn't do L. Like my name, Larry, Larr. It's a sort of lift and it like a Bill. L can slide. Holly, Jill. A lot of LLYs. Do they need all of them? I tend to pump to that little pulse with M, just to make it. That little thing, it just, even if you slide with it, it keeps it that much clearer. If it ends with two N's, then that one can slide. But if it's in the middle, I think it's confusing. Oh, there's me. Cassie, double S, I tend to pulse it. Same thing with TT, TTY. Ooh. With Lynette, I wouldn't slide the N. I would go NNETTE. If it ends a word, sliding is always an option. For the double L, you can slide that, especially because these are words that are very common. I find it funny there's tweet long before Twitter was invented, so they had no idea what it was going to mean. They were just thinking of birds. Ending with a double L, that can slide. Commune, immune. I tend to do that double pulse. Inning, Cool, cool. That also tends to be a lexical sign. Cool, 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 cool. I think I froze there for a second. So play with these, watch the videos. Um, each of the videos is like a sentence or a little mini story where they include, he says, attic, Attic, and then describes a little bit about it. So just look, catch those finger spelled words with double letters. I think there's 10. Yeah, there are 10 of them. 10 little examples. Again, 13 is a whole bunch of really short hit and run chips.